Hello YouTube viewer. The video you're about to watch is one of my broken videos that the file got corrupted on and I had to go and fix it. This could have been recorded anytime from when I first started making videos to maybe just yesterday. So please enjoy. For more information on my broken videos, please go check out my video called Broken Videos. Thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoy the video.
Hello guys, my name is Jerry T. Kale, and welcome to a soundboard. If this video gets 10 likes, I will do a prank call. Pretty much this is a Michael Jackson soundboard, as you can see, and we're just gonna see what some of the funniest things we can make him say are. So here we go.
I'm not afraid to say it. But I have slept with many children. Sick children. Busloads of kids. Sex. Yes.
Okay. Off to a good start, actually. Let's see.
There was doo-doo of feces thrown all over the walls. That's how we were raised.
I can't find what I want to say quick enough.
Jack the Ripper. Brooke Shields, Diana Ross, Emmanuel Lewis, and Bubbles. Sex. The pedophile. Sex. But I have slept with many children. My children sleep with other people all the time. In a mental institution. Elephants and giraffes and crocodiles and tigers and lions. I see the face of God. I see God. I can't believe you never heard of me. I'm a very popular entertainer. Sex. But I have slept with many children. They manhandled me very roughly. I'm not afraid to say it. Sex.
I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to do more of these soundboards. I'm sure this isn't even half the funny things that you can do with soundboards.
I would slip my wrist first.
Yeah. Maybe I can just have a conversation with you. Hey, how's it going?
Hello?
Yes, hello. How are you?
What?
I don't... What?
Yes.
Okay. So, how's it going?
Well, back in 1979, I got real depressed when my Off the Wall album just got one lousy Grammy nomination.
No, I'm asking about how's it going right now. You know what I'm talking about?
One time I asked to use the restroom.
Okay, moving on. So, if you were to describe yourself, what would you call yourself?
The pedophile.
Okay. That's let's just move on. Yeah, we talk about other stuff. So, a lot of people say that you have slept with children, but I don't really believe them.
But I have slept with many children.
What? You have?
Yes.
Uh, uh, what?
It's all right.
No, it's not.
You'd be amazed how often I hear that.
That's probably because they're right. What are you doing? You can't just go around sleeping with children. How many children have you slept with?
Busloads of kids.
What? Why would you do that? Who inspired you to do that?
Peter Pan.
Peter Pan. Should have known. Should have known.
Of course.
Yeah, of course. Who wouldn't know? So, yeah. Anything else you'd like to say?
It's very swollen.
Oh, we're not talking about that. Don't say anything about that. So, what about your friends?
Brooke Shields, Dinah Ross, Manuel Lewis, and Bubbles.
Are those all of your friends?
Macaulay Culkin.
Okay. So I don't know. Is there anything you want to talk about? I don't really know.
Sick children.
Oh, okay. So you want to help the sick children, right? You want to help them?
Sex.
What? Did you just say that you want to use them?
For sex.
That's what I thought you meant. Yeah. Um, it's kind of creepy. I don't really know what to...
In a pure, loving, fun way.
What are you talking about now?
Sex.
Oh, jeez. Okay. Yeah, we're not talking about that anymore, okay? Okay?
My children sleep with other people all the time.
That I don't even... You're a freak. You're a freak.
That I'm not.
No, you are.
That's someone else.
Well, I'm sure there's plenty of other people like that, but no, you are definitely one of them. Okay?
I wouldn't have a problem with it.
Well, you should. That's a problem. Okay?
Yes.
No. That's a problem. Do you understand me?
Yes.
Okay. Sure. Anyway. So... I'm just gonna go away now. Bye.
So long.
Well, okay, so... We're done talking to him. Because I'm done, and he is... You know.
I'm done.
Yeah. So... Hope you enjoyed this video. And, please subscribe to my channel, and remember to like this video if you want me to do a prank call. I actually got this idea from somebody else, whose name Hold on. So, I actually got that idea from Amanda Lynn Bloom. I believe that's what her name is. So, anyway, yeah, 10 likes, I do a prank call, and I'll keep doing more soundboard videos until I do get likes on these. And so, if you want to hear somebody have their soundboard used in a prank call, yep, just like the video. Please subscribe. You guys are awesome. I'm not sure if I said this. Pretty sure I did, though. My name is Jerry T. Kale. Join the collective. Resistance is futile. And I will see you at the next episode. Bye. Have fun doing whatever you're doing. Yeah. I'm just gonna leave you with this.
I've helped many, many, many children, thousands of children. For sex.
That's fun. That's fun.